In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the tax rate on a customer in Zoho Books. If you often deal with customers requiring specific tax rates, knowing how to set a default tax rate can save you time and minimize errors in your transactions. Let's dive right in and get this sorted out for you. First, you want to start at your Zoho Books homepage. Direct your attention to the left sidebar, which is your primary navigation panel. You'll notice various sections listed here. Go ahead and click on Sales, which will expand this category and display additional options. From this expanded menu, you're going to click on Customers. This is where we'll find the list of all your customers. Once you're in the Customers section, browse through your list to find the specific customer whose tax rate you wish to set. Once you've located the customer, click on their name to open up their customer details page. Now, to proceed with editing the tax information, look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the Edit button. Click on this to enable editing mode. If you're in the process of adding a new customer, don't worry about missing out on these steps. The location for setting the tax rate remains the same irrespective of whether you are editing an existing customer or adding a new one. After you click the Edit button, you will find yourself on the Customer's Details editing page. Scroll down to the bottom part of this page and ensure that you are focusing on the Other Details section. This section contains various additional information fields about your customer. Within the Other Details section, direct your attention to the first row. Here, you will see an option for tax rate. This is the field where you will set the customer's default tax rate. Click on this field, and a list of your previously set up tax rates will appear. Look through this list and select the appropriate rate for your customer. This selection will automatically apply whenever you choose this customer for an invoice or sales transaction. Once you've selected the right tax rate, you're almost done. Make sure to confirm your changes by clicking the Save button. This saves all the adjustments you've made and applies the selected tax rate to this customer for future transactions. And that's it. You've successfully set a default tax rate for your customer, ensuring that every transaction with them uses this tax rate moving forward. Doing this streamlines your billing process and ensures that your invoices are accurate. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.